Welcome to my channel, friends. Today I am going to teach you about loops in C language. Okay, what is the purpose of loops? See, here I have a statement, one simple statement, that is welcome to my channel. Okay, I'll simply compile and then I run. See, welcome to my channel. But why do we use loops? But if I want to print this statement for 1,000 times, I won't copy this statement for 1,000 times. It is not a good thing. So for that I have to use loops. In that, first I will tell you about for loop. Okay, I will tell you the first syntax for first initialization, condition, increment or decrement. This is for loop syntax. Okay, for our understanding purpose I have written this. I will put into the comment section. Now I'll write the actual one. For here I will initialize the value. You can define the data type here, or you can define the data type before the for loop. Okay, int x is equal to 1 semicolon x less than or is equal to 3 and then x plus plus. It means increment. If you don't understand this, simply x is equal to x plus 1. You can also write this. Okay, and then I have put this statement. Okay, see, now first I have initialization done, and then condition in the place of condition, yes, condition, and then increment or decrement. Here I have used incremented. Okay, now I will erase this one. Here I will write, see, first the value is x is equal to 1 semicolon x less than or is equal to 3 x plus plus. Now I will tell you what is for loop. First the value is x is equal to 1 initialized, 1 less than or is equal to 3. The control comes here, 1 less than or is equal to 3. This is condition. If the condition got satisfied, it will print the statement. The control will comes to the next line and it will print the statement. Okay, welcome to my channel one time, and the control will goes to here, x is equal to x plus 1. Previously x is equal to 1. Now it increments to 1. Now x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Here 2 less than or is equal to 3. Now the value is 2 less than or is equal to 3. Condition got satisfied, and again it will print the statement once and it will go to here. Previously x is equal to 2 and now it is 3. 3 less than or is equal to 3. Condition got satisfied, again it will print the statement. Now it will again go here and it increments to 1. Previously it is 3 and it again goes to 4. Again goes to 4. So 4 less than or is equal to 3. Condition not satisfied, it will come out of the loop. Okay, see, this is comment section. I have wrote this for your understanding purpose. Okay, next. So finally the printf statement will print 3 times. Okay, compile and then I run. See, welcome to my channel got printed 3 times, but actually it comes side by side. But I don't want, I have to print this statement every time in a new line. For that I will use for backslash and n. Okay, save and then I build. Okay, run. See, welcome to my channel, three times got printed. But here observe this we got space because because here I used new line in the beginning, but if I use this new line at the end of the statement, the space will not occupied. Okay, I'll save, I'll build, and then I run it. See, this is the final output. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and like and subscribe with your friends. If you don't understand anything in this video, please comment me. Okay, also if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you so much.